Gems 1 to 3 TV.
Today, we are going to learn some simple rhyming words. Cat,
Cat,
bat,
bat,
hat,
hat,
rat,
rat,
mat,
mat,
dog,
dog,
log,
log,
frog,
frog,
jog,
jog,
hog,
hog,
man,
man,
pan,
pan,
fan,
fan,
can,
can,
ran,
ran,
pet,
pet,
net,
net,
jet,
jet,
get,
get,
wet,
wet,
sit,
sit,
hit,
hit,
fit,
fit,
kit,
kit,
bit,
bit,
hop,
hop,
top,
top,
pop,
pop,
mop,
mop,
drop,
drop,
pin,
pin,
win,
win,
tin,
tin,
fin,
fin,
spin,
spin,
bug,
bug,
rug,
rug,
hug,
hug,
mug,
mug,
tug,
tug,
cake,
cake,
bake,
bake,
lake,
lake,
make,
make,
snake,
snake,
day,
day,
play,
play,
stay,
stay,
way,
way,
say.
say.
Today, we learned some simple rhyming words. Thank you for watching and subscribed our channel.